bei ni ya 250, bei ni ya 250. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is all about where to get affordable bed sheets at Gikomba, and also where to get affordable pillowcases, matching pillowcases at Gikomba. Guys, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit on this red subscribe button, also turn the bell on so that you don't miss out my next video. I'll also be mentioning where I got these pillowcases from. Watch this video until the end so that you get to know the directions. These are all matching pillowcases. You can't imagine the cost of these things. I got these ones for 100 shillings each, and they are matching, like they are twins, matching at 100 shillings. What a great deal, guys. Look at this one as a business opportunity, guys, because you can buy these ones and sell them and also get to make a few coins. So let's get started. The very first ones are these pillowcases. I got these ones at 100 shillings, and you can see, guys, there are two of them. They are matching, they are alike, they are twins, and they are 100 shillings. Mia moja peke yake for these beautiful pillowcases. Nimeziosha. I've already washed them and ironed them, ready to be used. So the next set is these blue pillowcases. I also got these ones at 100 shillings. So this is how they look like. Like, this has amazing design. As you can see, it's striped on one side, and on the other side it's polka. So nice. I love these ones. Most of these things from Gikomba was inafanyiwa ukarabati, but for these ones ni camera, hakuna kitu imefanyiwa. So they are so nice and so affordable. So that set is these ones. The quality is nice, 100% cotton. See, the flowers are so beautiful. On the outer side, it's floral. Inside, it's plain. So nice. Maybe if you want matching pillowcases with bed cover, you can also go and select, like, you know, try to match them out. Let's get to the next one. Look at these, guys. So beautiful. This is the next one, guys. These are two of them, 150 bob. Hizi tu ndio nilibuy 150. The rest were for 100 shillings. This is how it is. So beautiful, guys. Gikomba huwezi kosa kitu, but you have to be very patient when you are chokoraring. Like, ukichokora vitu, you have to be patient. But for these ones, they normally have them already packed. You just select the ones you want. So beautiful. So the last set is these. Zote ziko tu na makala zake, but these colors, they are not screaming colors. They are just so cute. As you can see, sio shouting sana. No. Look at this. That's the inner part. One of the side is plain and the other side has some florals. And these flowers, they are not shouting. They're just beautiful, cool colors. So guys, what do you think about these ones? Let me know which one is your favorite set of pillowcases. So you see, I've already washed them and ironed them, so they are ready to be used. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the bed sheets which I got from Gikomba. So stay tuned, guys. Next are these matching bed sheets. They are white. It depends with what you want. Ukitaka ziko na maua, then go for it. For me, I prefer plain white. These ones, I got these ones for 350, but nika bargain, nikauziwa na 300. So it's always good for you to bargain, as in usiambiwe tu bei hivyo tu ununue. You have to bargain. These ones are for 300 shillings and they are matching, as you can see. What a great deal. I got that one set. I also got this other one. I got this other set for 300, guys. For example, if you're getting so many pieces, like, they'll always give you a discount. These ones, ziko big. As I said, they can fit a bed bigger than 4 by 6. So guys, I got these ones for each 200 shillings each, and these are too big. So this is how they are. Like, they have this band so that when you spread on the bed, they will not come out when you are asleep at night. So nice. I also got these ones. Zotero white, 250 each. And the last one is so big, plain white, nice. So guys, it depends with what you want. If you want zenye ziko na maua, the choice is yours. Look at it as a business opportunity. Unaweza nunua na uuzie watu upate ka profit. I got these ones from the open air market at Gikomba. When you get at the hardware shops, just ask them where the open air market is. It's just beside the fish market. And I'm going to be indicating the name of the open air market there. So the time I was at Gikomba, it wanted to rain, so nilikuwa tu naharakisha. I did not get the contacts of the person who sold these ones because I got them at only 2 places, and they're the ones who are selling them at an affordable price. Gikomba kuna wenye wanauza bei iko juu, but these specific guys, they sell them at an affordable price. So what I'll do, maybe once I get there next, I'm gonna be indicating where the contacts of these people, guys. Let me know what you think, guys, of these great deals from Gikomba. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit on that red subscribe button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye for now. Much love to you all. Bye. So guys, as you can see, this is just a great deal. Great. Let me know which one is your favorite from these 5 sets of pillowcases. This is just a great deal for 100 shillings.